Our case of the month this month is NML Capital versus Argentina. In this case, a New York federal judge recently found a defendant to be in contempt. Contempt is where a party in the court's jurisdiction refuses to follow a judge's orders. A party in contempt can be subject to punishment or sanctions. For example, sanctions can include a monetary penalty. In this case, the party that was in contempt was not a natural person, not a company, but a sovereign country, the Republic of Argentina. Argentina issued bonds to investors, but Argentina defaulted on the bonds and told the investors that Argentina couldn't pay what was owed. Argentina offered a deal to investors where Argentina would pay a portion of what it owed. Most investors accepted the offer, but some investors did not. These investors sued Argentina in New York federal court. So what did Argentina do? Argentina wanted to pay off the remaining investors and instructed certain banks to pay bondholders who accepted Argentina's deal. But Argentina refused to pay the investors in the lawsuit. The judge in the case ordered Argentina to not pay the bondholders who accepted the deal, unless Argentina also paid the bondholders in the lawsuit. Argentina argued, among other things, that the New York judge did not have jurisdiction to tell Argentina what it's allowed to do. The New York federal judge held that Argentina was in contempt by refusing to follow his orders. The judge is now considering sanctions, which creates some tricky political and legal questions. If you'd like to discuss this case or any other matter related to U.S. law, stop by the message board and please visit my blog. Also, feel free to submit your comments below and to send me an email.